Alright, we have this laptop which is simply going to go into recycling. I'll show you one way you can make still money out of this still, if you're in the repair business. So the screen most likely can be sold, spare parts, whatever. Use the inverter, you know, if you're a bottom feeder and trying to make money out of any way possible. I'm just going to keep this screen for testing and other purposes for future. But I'll show you what you can do with the motherboard. Okay, let's just take this out. It's ground. All right. Around. Okay. Okay, so this guy has serious water damage, as you can see. There is no point repairing. This one is going straight to data recovery. Spare parts. One sec. Okay, so in this case, I mean things like DC jacks, I mean I can easily use them. But now, this guy here, yeah, point about this one, it has a Windows serial number on the motherboard, which we can use to activate Windows 10 newer licenses with digital license. So that's worth some money. Will save you buying a whole new Windows 10 license, for example. If you need activation done, that can do it for you. And you can live and die with the new computer that you're building, or another computer you may be installing Windows on. So in this case, what are we going to do? That information, the serial number information, is in the BIOS. So we'll extract that out of it. Looks like the BIOS chip is maybe on the other side. Let's pull this motherboard out. Let's have a look. Yeah, in this case it's one of these two. That's the BIOS chip. So you can use any programmer you have. So in this one I don't give a jack's ass. I'm just gonna use RT890F. Should be alright. Okay. Alright, so take these out. Probably use these guys to repair something else in future. Okay, here is it, nothing else. Okay, so I'm not sure which one has the information I need, so I'm gonna take them both out. Okay, so I've got the program already. I'll open the software. So this is the adapter I'm going to use. So there's two BIOS chips. I'm not sure which one is the correct one. So where the dot is where the chip goes on the top left corner. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we're gonna put it over here. Okay, that's in. And see if it does get detected. Yes, it does. Okay, I'll show you the screen. Okay, so that's the screen there, which I can't see now. Okay, there we go. Read, auto detect. There we go. We got it. And this one. All right, let's read the contents. Okay, and we'll save it on dumps. Okay, that's chip number 1. Now let's save the second chip. I'm just going to do the same process. Remove this one. And then we'll keep these chips for other projects in the future. Okay, let's read this one. Okay, it didn't get detected. Let me check the connection again. He got detected now, and read. Let's retry. Okay. Let me just do it properly. Okay, great. So we've got 2 chips there. Their data dumped off, and I don't know what's inside them. Okay. I can't mirror the screen, so I'm going to do my best. CMD. CD desktop. Dump. CD Samsung. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use strings command. Let's try this one first. Okay, let's go for something bigger. There it is. So I found my product key. And I'll just hide some of it. 1 sec, so I don't have to do editing. So there you go. That's the product key. Like the last last 9 digits, yeah. And then we can use this to reinstall Windows 10 using this Windows 8 license or Windows 7 license. Okay, so what I'll do now, have a look at the next chip, see what's on the other one. One sec. Okay, we can continue the recording. Okay, so now, what did we do before? That's the one we ran. What else we got? Okay, this one we haven't ran. Okay. It's a lot of data. So knowing product key is 25 characters. So we can just say probably in the dashes in between 20, maybe it's 27. Okay, what do we see now? Wow, we can even see the bootable USB device that was plugged in some time ago. That's very interesting. So it's kept a record of the devices it booted from. Okay. Okay. So in this case, there isn't a product key on this BIOS chip. It's on the other one. Very cool. Some interesting information here. AMD. Yeah, I think these models had AMD GPUs. Okay. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Now you can see what you can do with the BIOS chips that are pulled out of motherboards. They actually have useful product keys which you can use, which worth a lot in money value. Save you buying a whole Windows license. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.